Hello everyone, welcome to Shadacook. Today we are going to make raw mango launji or also known as amki launji. It's very popular in India. It has a sour and sweet taste. Really easy to make and is very quick. So let's go through the ingredients. 1 kg of raw mango cut lengthwise, and you need these thick slices, not thin slices. 1 and 1/4 cup of sugar. 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can use any oil you prefer. Half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of onion seeds or kalonji, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, pinch of hing. Hing is optional. So let's start the preparation. Heat the pan, add oil. Heat the oil, add in fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, onion seeds, hing, raw mango. Mix it well. Next add in salt, turmeric powder. Mix it well. And now we're going to cover it for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, you can see they have got softer. Now add in sugar, red chili powder, coriander powder. Mix it well. Now we're going to cover it again for 2 minutes. Make sure to stir it occasionally. You can see it has got more softer. So our launji is ready. Turn off the flame. So our raw mango launji is ready, and you can see it has got beautiful color, smelling beautiful, tasting delicious. It's very easy to make and it's very quick. So if you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.